Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Vauxhall Combo panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes in the long wheelbase configuration with twin sliding door and the Sportive trim level. It's been fitted with a roof vent and rear parking sensors. At the back it's been fully ply lined, plus over the floor you'll still have access to 6 anchorage points and you have also a full metal bulkhead. Size-wise, it's 123 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, with a height of 118 centimeters and a floor length of 206 centimeters. The cabin is in a 2-seat configuration with the driver's seat fully adjustable and equipped with a soft armrest, and over the dashboard you have 2 cup holders and multiple storage solution ranging around the passenger side to the locked compartment right in front of the driver's seat. The multifunction steering wheel houses the settings for the cruise control and the infotainment with voice commands, plus it's adjustable both in height and depth. As part of the Sportive trim level you get automatic headlights and electrically adjustable mirrors, and from here you can also adjust both the dimming of the cabin lighting and the height of the beam of the vehicle. Just underneath you can find the toggle for the auto start and stop. One of the extras fitted to this vehicle is the volumetric alarm, which can be toggled through this button over the roof. For the infotainment you have a DAB radio with Bluetooth capability to connect your phone wirelessly, and also a USB Type-A port to access any USB stick or memory card. Underneath you can find the air conditioning controls and the toggle for the heated mirror. And this vehicle is fitted with a 5-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Combo panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.